Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best adjustable bed bases you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Classic Brands Comfort Adjustable Bed Base. With nearly 7,000 reviews, 5,000 plus of which are 5 stars, this option from Classic Brands is far and away the best rated adjustable bed base. Holy crap weasel, this base is the most incredible purchase I've ever made. Easy setup, everything works, the recline levels are perfect, and the 3 massage feature is so nice, raves one reviewer. And the anti-snore feature completely fixed my husband's snoring. That aforementioned massage feature is a big selling point among reviewers, and multiple users describe the sensation as powerful, enough to feel through their mattress. Another bed owner lovingly described the massage feature as a gentle wave that moves up and down the bed. Ultimately, reviewers seem to recommend this bed because it is comfortable for both sleep and lounging. I wake up rested and without backaches any longer, says one satisfied reviewer. I have recommended this to anyone I hear is purchasing a new bed, whether for reading in bed, breakfast or coffee in bed, doing work on a laptop, watching TV, or reclining in bed for a chat or a massage. This is boudoir awesomeness. Number 2. Lucid L300 Adjustable Bed Base. This pick is ideal for someone who wants an adjustable base but isn't ready to spend an arm and a leg on it. But don't let the price fool you, it still has all the bells and whistles, it can raise your head and feet, and there's a wireless remote that you can use to pre-program your ideal position. It even has built-in USB ports for charging your phone or other devices. The brand says it takes just 5 minutes to set up and you can do it on your own. I know scheduling or waiting around for a delivery service to do it for you, not to mention, it's an Amazon bestseller with hundreds of 5-star reviews. There are also mattresses from the brand that you can buy with the base as a set. After assembling the bed for their grandparents, one reviewer commented that the remote is very simplistic and easy for even my grandparents, who don't even own a computer. Plus, according to at least one reviewer, the bed base itself is a kitty repellent. Quietly changing elevation and position is highly unsettling to the feline constitution. Pros: affordable. Easy to set up on your own. Remote lets you pre-program your position. Head and foot adjustments. Cons: not as advanced as other models. Number 3. Lucid L150 Bed Base, Queen. Lots of reviewers say this adjustable bed base from Lucid is comparable to brand name bed frames. One even says it is literally a clone of my friend's adjustable frame from Tempur-Pedic for 1/3 the cost. While this bed base still isn't cheap, one review points out that under $500 for a queen is actually a great price compared to other brands. And despite the price, it is ultimately everything I expected, needed and more, according to one reviewer who's gone through 5 major leg surgeries. They appreciate the bed base's up and down controls for both head and foot, which maximize comfort. Reviewers with ailments ranging from chronic pain to insomnia say that this bed base helps them sleep more comfortably. Both my husband and I are suffering from seasonal allergies, and raising the head of the bed at night is helping both of us sleep better, writes one, who says that the higher angle also makes reading in bed so much more comfortable. Comfortable, modest, and affordable, this adjustable bed is a great choice for those who are looking for a simple fix that is easy to set up and use. Number 4. Lucid L600 Adjustable Bed Base, Split King. This split king bed base, basically 2 twin-size mattresses side by side, single-handedly saved one reviewer's marriage. Because of the design, they can now go to bed at different times, without disturbing/waking each other, plus they no longer fight for the top sheet or the comforter. At nearly $2,000, this base is the most expensive product on this list. But according to many 5-star reviewers, it is a fraction of the price of other such mattress bases. And unlike some of those, one reviewer says that this bed from Lucid was very easy to set up. Once you've unfolded it, screwed on the legs, and flipped it upright, you're done. This bed was up and running in no time. A third reviewer who spent lots of hours shopping and researching beds had a similarly easy time setting the bed up, even despite its more involved design. I couldn't be happier. I set it all up by myself in less than 1 hour. Ultimately, they conclude, compared to other brands, I made a great purchase. Number 5. ZINUS Metal Adjustable Bed Frame Base, Queen. Most adjustable bed bases operate with a motor, which can be noisy, but this one is especially quiet, even though it's very strong, according to one reviewer. And though the construction is simple, and the price is on the lower end, several other reviewers say that this bed meets all of their needs. One says they're finally able to get some decent sleep, now that I can adjust my legs and head positions, while another appreciates that they can watch TV from bed comfortably for a very good price. It doesn't equip any of the smart features that other bed frames in this roundup have, nor do you have the possibility to elevate or lower the upper and lower part of the bed as you can with other models. This is simply an average steel bed frame with adjustable size. However, if you are on a budget and this is the type of product that you're looking for, the steel construction will not let you down. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.